Alright, what's up Pyros? Pyro Andrew here, back with another video. I'm going to be showing you guys my 2017 Firework Stash Part 1. And yeah, I should be getting more stuff in June, around June. So yeah, but anyways, let's start off first with some alien screaming crackling rockets. I have a couple of these left. Some of these starlight candles from Red Apple, 10 shots. Then alien server candle, salute. I got like half a gross of these alien screaming rockets, and some of these TNT crackles or whatever, crackling strips. Then a full break of these Red Apple Fireworks whistling moon travelers. Then I got the single shot tube by Red Apple, and then I got the 3-pack of Calavera mortar kits, strobe, pistols, and peonies. And then in this Nike box, it's just full of canister shells, some shells of vengeance by Alien, and then way down there in the bottom are some X-Cals. So yeah, so this box is full of canisters. And then I got Red Apple Fireworks UV large canister shells. Can't wait to try these out. They're really good. So yeah. And then in this box I got all of my like cakes and stuff. So this is just this is like a 36 shot happy, but I've been shooting them off like individually. This is a homemade crackling mine. So yeah. 2 of these Red Apple Fireworks Saturn missiles. Some alien mighty crackers. Some bag full of firecrackers. Some little stuffed crackling balls, ground balloons, and some of these Dominator Big Bees that fly in the sky and explode. 2 ball shells and 2 little canisters. And then a whole bag of these Red Apple Fireworks mini canisters. Then for the cakes I got 12 shot Bazaar by Brothers, 16 shot Golden Peacock by Brothers, 25 shots Drinker of the Wind by Brothers, Wild West 25 shots by Brothers, Rainbow Night 25 shots by Brothers, and Magic Carpet 25 shots by Brothers. And then I got Red Apple little hybrid cakes, Garden in the Spring, and then Kaleidoscope, and then some fountains, Red Apple and TNT, Piccolo Pete. And then the biggest thing I got is Hit the Road Jack cake. Let me try to take it out. Here it is. I can't wait to light this off. It's really big. 49 shots. Hit the Road Jack by Brothers. There's a performance. So yeah, but I can't wait to light this off. Biggest thing I've had. So yeah, but anyways, it's basically everything for right now, and I will be getting more stuff soon. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get a couple more cakes and see what else I could get. So yeah, but anyways, thank you guys for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Peace.